Kwa kanyo ni kweth maketo sirkal tesre sani koro dwaro ni Jalup jatend obila Lagat mondo ogwe tao kendo apisas mag obila misiemo ka itudo gi tho mar manen jandiko e mbui Albert Ojwang omi arita mowinjore wera ngimagi ni kamarach. Jotelogo kamano oting'o ogai mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka, jatend DCP Rigathi Gachagua kod Justin Muturi dwaro mondo jopiny oyud ler e wi gima nomiyo Albert ne okel nyaka Nairobi kowuok Homa Bay.
We are calling not just for the resignation, but for the arrest and arraignment in court of the Deputy Inspector General of Police, Lagat, within 24 hours from the issuance of this statement. We similarly demand that the junior officers currently being prosecuted be given witness protection with immediate effect. Their lives obviously are in danger because they know the truth. Kenyans want to know if there was a formal complaint by the Deputy Inspector General of Police, Lagat, and if so, at what police station? Which date and time was this complaint recorded? We demand to know why Albert was moved from Mawego Police Station, Homa Bay, to Nairobi, and specifically sent to police station, and which officers accompanied him by name and rank.
As wangiane kakuwache wach mar tho mar Albert ne tano kantiere ng'amondiko kae ni maendi obila Derek, director